Are you looking to make some extra cash? Why not try making money online by writing reviews? Writing reviews can be a fun and lucrative way to earn money from the comfort of your own home. First, you'll want to find reputable websites that pay for reviews, such as producttesting.com or usertesting.com. Once you've signed up for a review site, start by selecting products or services you have personal experience with. Before writing your review, take the time to thoroughly test or use the product or service. When writing your review, be honest and provide valuable feedback that will benefit other consumers. Make sure to include both the positives and the negatives of the product or service in your review. Focus on providing specific details and examples to support your opinions. Consider using a catchy and attention-grabbing title for your review to attract more readers. In addition to writing reviews, you can also consider starting your own review blog or YouTube channel. By building a loyal audience, you can attract sponsors or affiliate partnerships, increasing your earning potential. To make your reviews stand out, consider using high-quality images or videos to accompany your written content. Utilize social media platforms to promote your reviews and reach a wider audience. Don't be afraid to reach out to brands and companies directly to inquire about partnerships or sponsored content opportunities. Remember, building a reputation as a trustworthy and reliable reviewer takes time and consistency. Consider diversifying your income by offering additional services such as proofreading or copywriting. Stay up to date with the latest trends and topics in your niche to stay relevant and attract more readers. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Building a successful career in online review writing takes patience and persistence. Always disclose any sponsored or affiliate content in your reviews to maintain transparency with your audience. Be open to constructive criticism and feedback from your readers, as it can help you improve and grow as a reviewer. Keep track of your earnings and expenses to ensure you are maximizing your profitability and not overspending. Set realistic goals for yourself and celebrate your achievements along the way to stay motivated. Network with other review writers and bloggers to share ideas, learn from each other, and potentially collaborate on projects. Consider offering special promotions or discounts to your audience to encourage engagement and repeat business. Remember, honesty and integrity are key when writing reviews, as your credibility is your most valuable asset. Don't be discouraged by negative feedback or rejection. Use it as an opportunity to learn and improve. Stay consistent with your writing schedule and try to publish reviews regularly to keep your audience engaged. Always be professional and respectful when communicating with brands, companies, and your audience. As your reputation grows, you may have the opportunity to attend industry events or receive exclusive products for review. Experiment with different writing styles and formats to keep your content fresh and engaging for your readers. Invest in a good quality microphone or camera to improve the overall production value of your videos or podcasts. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box when it comes to reviewing products or services. Lastly, have fun with it. Enjoy the process of trying new things and sharing your